Welcome to the Back Porch Fishing Show. This is our special edition, Voyage to the Bottom of the Keys. We're still here in Vero Beach. We were hiding from a gale force winds last night. They forecasted it, and boy, it sure happened. I'm glad I stayed in this little sheltered cove here. Even in this little place, we got battered, side to side, bounced up and down. I can't imagine what some of the other boats were suffering that weren't in a sheltered anchorage like this. My 100-watt solar panel is hanging on pretty good. That thing powers up all my batteries and keeps them charged. There's the little Cindy Mae Jr., my dinghy. She's still hanging on the front of the boat there. Kind of slid a little bit over to the side. All my lines are still intact. Let's take a look towards the back now. All my fender buoys are still here. Beamy top's not ripped up. Sailboat seems to be intact. Hatch, rear hatch is hanging on good. Better step over these fenders here. Watch how I lift up this beamy top. This is slick. Let's get it right up out of the way. Okay, let's take a look down inside there. Make sure everything's still in place. I have 20 gallons of gas. My range is about 150 miles. It's my little depth finder there. I got it mounted on my tackle box. That's an oldie but a goodie. That's my powerhouse there. Forward, back, neutral. Start, stop. This is my trusty so far, Yamaha 9.9. And my high thrust side thruster. My trusty generator. 2,000 watts. Certainly has the power to do some stuff. It's charging my battery right now for the trolling motor. Everything on that side seems to be okay. Let's take a look down inside. Push the hatch back. That's my nice comfortable bed, boat bunk, my laptop station, and a couch on the other side. I just throw junk on it. Flat top TV's okay, hasn't ripped off of the wall, because boy, we were bouncing. Stove's still hanging out. Refrigerator's okay. Coffee maker's still there. Radio's alright. That's just go down these steps like that. You're in a cabin. I got 6'2" headroom. This is my solar charging array. Switched to the solar panel. I have a 100-watt panel up on the roof as we saw. And mounted fire extinguisher. This is my alcohol stove. This is an older style stove since this boat is a 1984 Hunter. I'm not sure it came with the boat, but it probably did. These are the way it controls. Goes up, goes down. Gonna make some rice here. This is instant rice. Set her on here. I always start it cold, you know, the rice in there. I don't know if you're supposed to boil it first, the water or not, but no, start it cold. As soon as it starts to boil, you know, you just turn it down and let it lightly boil for 10 minutes. And we'll have some chow, huh? I think I'm going to make some gravy and some chicken with it. And we'll have some chicken and gravy over top of it. Okay, she's a-boiling. Let's turn down the heat a little bit. Minutes should be a done deal. Right, at any rate. Now I got another pan over here. And, I'm going to add some gravy mix to it. There's a little bit of water in there. Then we're going to add some canned chicken to it once the gravy gets thickened up. So we're just going to add a little gravy mixture. Now once this gets finished, that's when I'm going to heat the gravy off of this single burner that I've got here. These are alcohol pad burners, and it's not like a pump-up stove. So I'm only going to utilize one burner at a time, kind of conserve. Alright, so I switched burners there. The rice is probably done. It's been in there 10 minutes, lightly boiling. So I pushed the gravy over here and switched sides with it. Put it on the burner, turn the heat up just a little bit. Once this starts to thicken up a little bit, I'm going to add the chicken. Once again, I'm just using a can of Sweet Sue chunk white chicken. Golly. Alright, starting to thicken up a little bit. At least it's starting to bubble. I'm going to put some spice in there. A little bit of crushed red pepper for some heat. Now I'm going to add the canned chicken. And stir it till it thickens all the way up, and it's done. Pour it over that rice. See if it's a good din. I think it'll be a good din. Alright, there's the finished product. Basically, it's rice, gravy, and chicken spiced up with some crushed red peppers on it. I just keep it in the skillet there that I made the gravy in. Scooted all the gravy over to one side. Dumped the rice in there and then topped a little bit of it over the top. I only used half of the rice there. So I'll be using the other side of that gravy there probably for dinner. So everything looks ship-shape. Nothing too damaged from the storm. I'm going to charge batteries here for the rest of the day with the solar charger. Hopefully we'll head out early in the morning. Southbound. Keys or bust, right? Thanks for watching, everybody.